Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to edit time card or time punch on Heartland Restaurant via the iPad. So first thing you're going to want to do is sign in as a manager or somebody that has permissions to edit time cards. Then you're going to go to your menu up here on the top right, and you're going to go to the manager menu. Once you're in the manager menu, over here on the left, you're going to go to time punch management. Once you're in here, it's going to default to the current date, to the current day, and it's going to show you all your employees. I only have one that I'm using for demonstration purposes, so I just have the one showing there. Now, let's say, for example, we need to edit this. Let's say John Smith was here at 9 o'clock and started working at 9, but forgot to clock in until 9:59, and we need to edit that. So you'd go into Edit, and then all you do is click on the area you need to edit and change the time and date. So we're just going to change it to 9 a.m. And then we're going to hit save. So now it is corrected. Now if you need to search for a certain date range, then you choose down here, just choose a specific date range. Just go all the way back to the 7th. So we have the 7th through the 13th down here. So now it's showing everybody that was clocked in. Now, if I had multiple staff members clocked in and I just wanted to see John Smith's, then I would select staff and just choose John Smith, and that way I only see all the John Smiths. Or you can filter by job type as well and say, oh, I just want to see the manager punch-ins. Then we'll do that. So you can go back and edit these the same way we did the first one. Now, if you need to add a day, I don't know what the circumstance would be, but let's say there's a whole day that the person didn't clock in or out. You need to add a whole new record for them. There's actually not a way to do that. There's no button for add new here, but there is a workaround. You can have the employee clock in, and then, so let's say we just had John Smith clock in, and then we can go edit John Smith's entry for today, and then we can change the date. Like let's say we needed to add, he forgot to clock in and out all day yesterday. So we can clock him in, say he got there at 8, and then we can choose clock out of the 12th. Let's say 5:18 p.m. and then hit save. So technically that added the record for yesterday. And then you would just have John Smith go clock back in for today, and then you'd come back in and change his time back to 9 a.m. So that's kind of the workaround on here. Otherwise, I recommend going to the admin portal and editing time cards there. I think it's easier to edit time cards there anyway, just especially if I'm doing a bunch of people at once, but that's just me. And if you need training on the admin portal side, I have a video for that. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.